Today, we are doing a full upgrade of the Juwel Bioflow M filter. I'll show you how to optimize the media for maximum filtration and crystal clear water. First, let's remove the filter cover and take out the standard baskets. We are replacing the basic sponges with high-capacity biological media. Instead of the standard setup, I'm using a mix of Juwel Nitrax and Seachem Matrix. This combination offers a much larger surface area for beneficial bacteria. I'm filling the containers carefully. By replacing standard sponges with Matrix and Nitrax, we are boosting the biological capacity of the system. It's a good idea to mix different sizes of media to fill all the gaps. This ensures every inch of the basket is working. This setup lasts much longer than sponges. Just rinse them in tank water occasionally to keep the bacteria healthy and active. Now I'm sealing the containers. Make sure the lids click properly so the water flows directly through the media. This modular setup is great because it's so easy to customize for better results. By packing them like this, we make the filtration much more efficient than the standard factory setup. The bottom basket, now loaded with 3 full containers of biological media, goes into the filter housing first to ensure long-term stability. The bottom basket goes in first. This is now the main biological engine of the filter. Now for the mechanical and chemical stage. I am adding Seachem Purigen to remove organic waste and keep the water polished. I also have 2 fine sponges and this filter floss I got from Temu, which I cut to fit the basket. This combination will catch even the smallest particles before they reach the biological media. The order is important. Purigen at the bottom, then Nitrax, and the 2 fine sponges. The filter floss goes on the very top. This setup ensures the best filtration and keeps the biological media clean. Everything is back in the filter and ready. This upgrade is a game changer for water quality. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to help us reach 100 subs. See you next time.